Was very important yesterday for you. On the basis of cosine law, you can add two vectors on the basis of analytical process with the help of that formula. पर असां कुछ शयुनि खे वरी पोइते वञूं था ऐं तव्हां कुझु शागिर्दनि कमेंट्स में लिखियो तमामु घणा कमेंट्स आया ऐं उन्हनि में चयो वियो त सर कुझु हैड टू टेल रूल जे बारे में प्रॉब्लम्स वग़ैरह उन ते प्रैक्टिस करायो त इन हवाले सां मां तव्हांखे ॿुधायां त आई थिंक 2007 वारी NTS टेस्ट में को सवाल आयो हुयो असां अॼु जो लेक्चर इन ॻाल्हि खां शुरू कयूं था इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करण खां शुरू कयूं था yes be attentive my students. The problem in 2007 NTS test was I walked 4 miles, turned to my left and walked 6 miles, then turned to my right again and walked 4 miles. Yes. Which of the choice mentions that distance from a straight point to the place where I stopped? I think तव्हां हिनखे हिते बि पढ़ी सघो था मां रिपीट बि कयो हाणे हिन प्रॉब्लम खे ॾिसूं था on the basis of what you can solve this with the help of you have the knowledge of head to tail rule as well as the cosine law. Now you can solve this type of problem. I walked 4 miles. कहीं भी तरफ I walked 4 miles. Yes. Then turn to my left. My left, as you know, this one is right side, my right side, and this one is actually left side. Turn to my left and walked 6 miles. Okay, turn to my left and walked 6 miles. It's okay. Then turn to my right again and walked 4 miles. This one is my left side, this one is now will be my right hand side. So I walked again on right side for 4 miles. हाँ इन्हें जेको कुछ चयो वियो ये वेक्टर्स हुया ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट्स हुया इन्हनि डिस्प्लेसमेंट वारे वेक्टर्स खे तव्हां सिंपली जीअं चयो वियो उअं ई तव्हां एड कंदा वियो कहिड़ो तरीक़ो तव्हां यूज़ कयो एड सभई सम्झी विया हूंदो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल वन हेड टू टेल because in this method we added the head of first vector with the tail of second vector and in this way we can add many vectors whatever number is there. Okay, now come to the point what was actually the problem. US problem is this which of the choice mentions choice will be given there were given there that distance from a straight point to the place where I stopped जै पॉइंट खां शुरू थियासीं दैट इज इनिशियल पॉइंट जै पॉइंट ते असां फाइनली पहुताऊं दैट इज टर्मिनल पॉइंट पोइ इनिशियल पॉइंट खां टर्मिनल पॉइंट ताईं स्ट्रेट लाइन में केतिरो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कयो आहे मां आहे दैट्स आवर प्रॉब्लम. So a straight line means you have to draw a vector from the initial point to the terminal point. This vector is now said to be resultant vector because you know that the total effect of the vectors is known as the resultant vector. And straight path में ताके distance चयल हुयो means you were asked about the displacement not the distance. अगर ताके distance चयल हुजे हा त पोइ तव्हां चवा 4 miles 6 miles 4 miles means distance is equal to if the distance was asked then 14 miles was the correct answer. But now distance is not but you have to determine the value of displacement. So you can say the displacement will be is equal to the value of the resultant vector means the combination of tail to the final head of the last vector and that vector is said to be resultant vector or you can say this R vector is the sum of the A vector plus B vector plus C vector and so on केतिरा बि हुजनि हा त ही असां चई सघूं था त केतिरा ई वेक्टर एड कयूं ऐं रिज़ल्टेंट वेक्टर असांखे हासिल थिए बट दिस वन इज़ एक्चुअली ग्राफिकल मेथड जंहिंजे लाइ शागिर्दनि चयो त सर ग्राफिकल मेथड खे थोरो रिपीट कजो दैट इज़ फॉर यू. Okay, now what is the value of this displacement? This is actual problem. Now I think it will be clear for you. 4 miles. Can I say this is 3 mile? I कल पढ़े से the 3 and 4 90 angle ते 8 कयूं तो you have to use this formula for two perpendicular vectors. Yada? That was the special case of the cosine law. So you have to apply. So ये सोचना ना है, ये लिखना ना है. Simple problem हो यो तो imagine मिनट में जवाब दे सके था. Okay, पर ऐसा है simply step by step solve कहीं था just for your understanding. 4 plus 3 at right angle. So you know that this will be the 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 100, 5, 12, 13. According to this formula, you have to remember such type of values. They are commonly used in US problems. इन values के हमेशा याद रखो. 90 angle ते असांखे ये जवाब अचण घुर्जन common values जे लाइ जेके पूरा square आहिनि. Okay, 5. So can I say here is again 3 miles, 4 miles, 3 and 4 again at right angle. So can we say this part of vector will also be equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is now equal to 10 miles. So that was yours answer. Very simple one, very important one. But concepts याद रखना आचो तो हिन problem के solve करना था but concept use किया. First one was graphical method of head to tail rule. Second one, the concept of the cosine law. With the combination of both concepts, you became able to solve this problem. I hope you will enjoy it.